We are at Redondo Beach Pier. Daddy took us to this amazing place that he saw on Instagram. The Redondo Beach Pier, originally built in 1889, is the oldest of its kind in California. Over the years, it has been rebuilt multiple times due to storms and fires. It's a popular spot for fishing, dining, and sightseeing. It is also home of the Beach Boys. Redondo Beach has deep ties to the surf music scene. The Beach Boys, one of the most famous bands to emerge from Southern California, frequently mention Redondo Beach in their songs. Another interesting fact about Redondo Beach is the Seaside Lagoon. It has a unique saltwater lagoon called Seaside Lagoon, which is a family-friendly spot for swimming and picnicking. It's filled with filtered ocean water and has lifeguard supervision, making it perfect for kids. King Harbor. Redondo Beach's King Harbor is a large marina that accommodates both recreational and commercial vessels. It's a popular spot for boating, sailing, and sea life tours. You might spot sea lions lounging on the docks. So from here we have heard sea lions, and it was funny because we haven't seen those, but we have been hearing those. As well, it is a very popular sport fishing hub. It is known for its sport fishing, offer deep sea fishing charters, where you can catch a variety of fish, including halibut, yellowtail, and barracuda. Redondo Beach has been featured in several films and TV shows. Its scenic coastal setting has made it a go-to spot for Hollywood, with movies like Pirates of the Caribbean and shows like Dexter filmed there. As well, Redondo Beach has an aviation history because it plays a role in aviation history as the site of the first powered flight on the West Coast in 1910 by Glenn Curtiss, a pioneer in the field of aviation. The pier and nearby areas offer many seafood restaurants and cafes with scenic ocean views. We came to Redondo Beach pretty early, I would say that it's the midday, but the main idea why we came to Redondo Beach was for the sunset photography. We saw several Instagram spots where Redondo Beach has stunning sunsets over the Pacific Oceans, a lot of shots of the sun setting behind the pier or marina that created us this vibrant feeling, captivating images that we wanted to recreate for our vlog, for our Instagram, and this is the main reason why we came here. But we also enjoyed the park. Kids played a lot, we ate here, and we had a very nice walk through the pier and the ocean views. What we also saw that there are a lot of water sports and activities like paddleboarding, kayaking, surfing, a lot of dynamic water sports we saw on our way. We saw also people playing volleyball at the beach. So very nice place to come to visit. I would say that the beaches were not so filled with people. There is plenty of space for all the people that are coming here. What amazed us a lot as well was the unique architecture that we saw, because the waterfront homes have beautiful architecture that provides a great backdrop for photos. And what amazed us, because I imagine that these houses have very, very beautiful views to the ocean.
Vale.
¿Me apuntas?
Sí, claro. Venga, va.
Pero vas a flipar, ¿a que sí, Damián?
Nada yo.
Vale.
A ver si te lo crees.
All in with his meals and everything he spent like out of pocket like $500.
Cierra los ojos.
Y tapa un poco, y tapa la cámara también, ¿no?
A ver.
La cámara durante y tu cara.
Pero se está viendo.
¿No estás grabando, papá?
No.
Saca de mi orejita.
Graba. Vamos a preparar las piernas bien puestas. Ya está.
¿Dónde he puesto?
Esto me siento incómodo.
We finally arrived to the spot that we were looking for. It is the Avenue E or D or something like this. There are avenues A, B, C, D, E, because we saw a really nice view for an Instagram reel. We decided to take pictures from here, and this is why we are getting a little bit crazy, because we are waiting here the sunset and enjoyed also the beautiful houses that are here.
Cuidado.
Otro y otro, ¿vale? Ok, tú también te dejas y hasta le hago hacer fuerza y tú eres más fuerte. Esto no te... Es más fácil, fácil.
Tira hacia atrás, hacia...
Hacemos magia. Quiero ver si hay.
Le estás tapando las nubes.
No, no está, no hay nubes. Esto es,
Está haciendo
ahí
colorido.
hay montañas.
Ah. ¿Cómo está aquí?
Pero mira cómo se ven los colores.
I hope this vlog made you wish to come to Redondo Beach. It is a really amazing spot to come and to watch sunset. If you wish to come only for the sunset, you can come because the place is simply stunning. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below and like this video. Thank you for watching and till the next time, bye!